Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video on the Ghost Flash channel. Today's video, guys, we'll be working on the 93 Mazda Miata. And in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be incorporating some maintenance into this video, considering that I don't do a lot of maintenance on this channel. I'm trying to get better at that. But besides that, we are going to be doing an oil change in this video, as well as it's a modification, as well as it counts as maintenance. So obviously, with this being a 93 Miata, everything in the car is most likely stock or OEM, under the hood especially. So as you guys know, all the vacuum lines, all the coolant lines, all that stuff is all OEM. So in today's video, guys, we're going to be replacing all of the coolant lines, as well as we'll be doing an oil change, and as well as we will, so the coolant lines, the oil change, and then we're also gonna be doing the valve cover gasket. And I'm gonna show you guys something else that I did. Since we will be doing the valve cover gasket, I went ahead and did a valve cover paint job on a spare valve cover that I had. So I'm gonna be changing out the black one that I have on the car currently. I got a white silicone hose kit from eBay. It ran me about $50 or $60 or something like that. I'll go ahead and put the link somewhere in the description below. But yeah, they had blue, red, black, and white, and black was like OEM. Don't want blue because my car is obviously not blue, and I didn't want red because that's not my MO. So we went ahead with white because I thought it would pop and really contrast nicely with the color of the car, as well as the color of the valve cover that I went with, which I'll show you guys right now. So not only are we doing all of the coolant lines, so supposedly this is supposed to be a replacement coolant lines for all of the cooling system in the NA Miata. Let's hope so. It is eBay, so you can't always trust that. And the new valve cover is over here. So since I decided to do a valve cover gasket, or no, valve cover gasket, I didn't decide to, I needed to because mine's leaking all over the place. So I decided to paint my spare valve cover that I had, and I decided to paint it, as you guys will know. Oh wow, it shows up red on camera, but it's most definitely like a magenta purple, and it has a color shift. So I did do a 3-stage paint job on this valve cover. That's why it's so nice, has a nice pearl, and the color shift is just insane. I've had it just sitting underneath this for a couple weeks now because I didn't want to get it messed up. But this is like my first really successful valve cover paint job that I've ever done, which is kind of nice. I do believe I have some shots on my iPhone that probably pick up the better quality of the color. I'll go ahead and put those somewhere on the screen right now. And now that you guys have enjoyed those few clips, so we're doing the valve cover gasket, all the cooling lines, which is going to be nice. And I was going to paint this to match the valve cover, and then I also thought about painting it white to contrast the valve cover, match all the hoses. But I had a spare one somewhere right here, and the chrome finish actually on it is still in really good condition compared to the one that's actually on my car. It just has some like rust spots. I'm gonna go ahead and try to clean this up and bring back the chrome and make it shine again. And if I can't bring that back successfully, then the plan is to, the one that I remove off of here, to paint this one. I think I'm just gonna do white, because I think if I paint match the valve cover, it'd be too much right here. And I was thinking about, since I have to do my thermostat, painting the thermostat housing purple. So it'd be white, purple, white, purple. So I think that's what we're gonna do in today's video, guys. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get after it.
That I'm lost and lost.